Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I have a quick 10-minute challenging yoga workout for you. So we're going to begin by just taking a couple deep breaths and arriving on the mat. Find a straight spine, reach the crown of the head for the sky, roll the shoulders back. And we're going to begin to slowly warm the arms up. So bring the hands down by your sides. And then with an inhale, grow a little bit taller. Then next inhale, reach the arms up, connect the palms, tilt back ever so slightly. Bring the hands to the middle. Inhale, reach up again, connect the palms, exhale through the middle. Inhale, reach up again. Keep it going and maybe progressively make the back bend a little bit bigger. So tilting back a little bit more each time. Keep it going, link that breath. Prepare your body. Wake up the spine, wake up the arms. One more time. Very nice. Roll the shoulders, roll the wrists a little bit. And then we're going to come forwards into our plank position. So lift the knees off the mat, wrists under the shoulders. Take a breath here. To begin today, we're going to do a few Vinyasa flows, where we're going to take this first one slowly. On the next exhale, come down either to your chest on the mat or to chaturanga, then inhale to upward facing dog or cobra. And then exhale to downward facing dog. Take 2 deep breaths. Maybe scan the body, see where you're stiff. See where you feel tension. And prepare for the next couple of rounds. So here we go. Next, inhale, come forwards to plank. Exhale, lower down chaturanga or to the chest. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale again, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Here we go, one more. Inhale, come forwards to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath. Next, inhale, we're going to raise the right leg and hold it in our 3-legged dog. Once it's up in the 3-legged dog, we're going to give 5 pulses. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then bring the knee to the chest, come into plank. Exhale, back up, 3-legged dog. Knee to chest, plank. Exhale, back up, 3-legged dog. Knee to chest, plank. One more, exhale, back up, 3-legged dog, knee to chest, and step it up to runner's lunge. Take a breath. Get your foundation, your base, and on the inhale, rise up, high lunge. We're gonna bring the left knee down to the mat here for 5 reps. Exhale, knee down to the mat, inhale, back up, high lunge. Exhale, left knee down, inhale, back up. Exhale, left knee down, inhale, back up. 2 more. Left knee down, rise up. Left knee down, rise up. Nice and controlled. Bring the hands down to the mat. Step that right foot back and hover it in a 1-legged plank here. That feels good for you. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale up, upward facing dog. And back to downward facing dog. Take a breath and get ready to take it to the other side. Nice strong foundation on your right foot. And then inhale, raise that left leg up. Here we go, 5 pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring that knee to the chest. And exhale, extend it back up, three-legged dog. Knee to chest. Exhale, back up, three-legged dog. Knee to chest plank. Three-legged dog. Here we go. Knee to chest and step it up, runner's lunge. Get your base, get your foundation. Take a breath. And then when you're ready, inhale up to that high lunge. We're going to drop the right knee down to the mat on the next exhale. Right knee down, inhale, rise up. Right knee down, inhale, rise up. Right knee down, rise up. 2 more. 1 and 2. Bring the hands down to the mat. One-legged plank. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale up, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a couple of breaths here. Relax a bit into the downward facing dog. Bend the knees if you need to. Alright, so we're going to take a flow, but this time we're going to end it in plank. So inhale, come forwards to your plank. You got this. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And then on the exhale comes that plank. Tuck the left toes under, bend the right knee, and exhale it back up, three-legged dog. On the inhale, bring the knee into the chest, step it up. Take a breath here in runner's lunge. And then on the next inhale, sweep the arms up to high lunge. We're going to bring the left knee down to the mat again, lift back up, high lunge, and then fold over that front right leg and try and extend it for pyramid pose. Come back up to high lunge, bring the left knee to the mat again, and again fold over that right leg, try and extend it. 1 more, high lunge. Lower the left knee to the mat, rise back up, and fold down over the right leg. This time holding for a few breaths, trying to sink into the stretch. Breathe it out. Extend that right leg as far as you can. Maybe bring the torso closer to the knee. Very good. Bend that right knee again. Come back, runner's lunge. Into your one-legged plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog, and downward facing dog. Take a breath before we take it to the other side. Here we go. Inhale, come forwards to plank. Exhale, down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And again, tuck the right toes under. We're going to come to plank, bend the left knee, and extend it up, three-legged dog. Bring the left knee into the chest, step it between the hands, take a breath in runner's lunge. And sweep the arms up, high lunge. Bring the right knee to the mat and fold over that front left leg. Come back up, high lunge. Bring the right knee back to the mat, just tap it. Then fold over the front left leg. High lunge. Right knee to the mat, rise back up, fold over the front left leg. Stretch it out. Bend that front left knee again, runner's lunge. Step the left foot back, one-legged plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Take a breath or two here. Check in with the body again. Make a conscious effort to breathe super deep here. Here we go. In a moment here, we're going to go three-legged dog and then bring the right knee to each elbow. So inhale, raise that right leg up. Bring that right knee to the right elbow, plank. Inhale, back up, three-legged dog, right knee to left elbow in plank. Inhale, raise it back up, bring the right knee to the middle, and then place it at a 90-degree angle on the mat. Get a base on that right hand and right knee and shin, and then raise the left arm and the left leg. Engage the core, engage the left leg. Hold that balance. Bring that left hand and left foot back to the mat. Raise the right leg off the mat and extend it back up, three-legged dog. Take a breath in downward facing dog. Then inhale, raise left leg up, left knee to left elbow. Raise left leg up again, left knee to right elbow. Raise it back up again, and then place it at a 90-degree angle on the mat. Base on that left hand and left leg, and then raise the right arm and the right leg. Hold for a couple of breaths. Engage the core, engage the right leg. You might feel it on the side of the hips a little bit. Excellent. Bring the hands back to the mat. Raise the left leg back up, three-legged dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath. Again, breathe nice and deep here in downward facing dog. Maybe check in with the body. Very good. We're going to come into rabbit pose. So bring the knees to the mat, sit back on top of the shins, reach the hands for the heels, round the back and lift the hips, maybe resting on top of your head. Breathe a bit while you open that upper back. Release, bring those hips back towards the heels and reach the arms out overhead for extended child's pose. Take some deep breaths. Next, inhale, rise up, interlace the hands behind your back, open the chest towards the sky, and then maybe open the neck a little bit as well. Stretch the shoulders. Release the hands, bring them next to your hips, and then inhale, reach the arms up. One last little back bend here. Exhale, bring the palms to the chest. Take a moment to thank yourself for moving your body and showing up on the mat today. And I'd like to thank you for practicing with me and watching the video. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. And if you'd like to see more, then hit that subscribe button. Good job, and I will see you next time.